So we are going to be learning how to cage a bust. So as you can see, I've drawn out some lines already. So look at the lines. I run one from here. This is ½ inch away. That is my sewing allowance. You draw lines, a straight line like this. Then you draw another one at the bottom. This will just be like a guide for you. You will see what I'm going to do with the lines that I first draw here. Now, the most important aspect of it is inside here. You don't just draw the line straight. Look at the lines here. You do with the movement of the cup. You draw it with the movement of the cup. Don't draw it straight. And when you want to sew it, you don't sew it straight as well. Okay? Can you see the lines that I'm trying to draw out here? So I'll first of all sew this one around here. Then I will sew this. Or you can sew this first, anyone, but make sure you are sewing the one at the edge first. So I will start sewing away. I'm going to sew it from the hook here. And don't just sew straight. Make sure you bend as you sew it. When you get to the end here, make sure you fold in like this and cut out. Simple. So let's sew the other round one. That one here, you are going to push this inside the first one that you sew. You're going to push it. This is what is not going to make your cup flat. Okay? So you use it to push it. So you use it to push it like that. Then you are going to be using 3 mm Reglan bone to do this. Don't use that big 0.5 inch wide bone to achieve this, so that you can be. The reason why we are using this is because this one you can easily twist it and turn it anyhow you like. That is why we are using this to cage. Okay? I hope you are getting my point. You can easily twist this and turn it. This is why you need to use this. So when you get to this end also, you are going to use it to push it like the one you did at the top there. So you fold it in and cut it out like that. So that is how you are going to do it at the top here and at the down here before we start to cage from the inside. Use it to push. You are going to follow the lines that you have drawn already. You are going to use it to push. Then you push in. Can you see the way I'm pushing it in? Don't give it any space. Just push in very well so that your cup will not fall flat. Then you cut out like so. You can see the way I cut it. Then you will use it to push. Can you see? You can see that I've pushed it in very well. That's how you are going to sew each and every one of them. Let me do another one for you to see. You push it in. You push it in. The line I draw for these ends around here. Then when you are sewing, make sure you note the curve. Can you see that this bone goes like this? Make sure you note it. Don't just sew like that. Make sure you note where the movement is going. Okay? So then you push. Can you see? The more you use it to push, the more your cup goes inward. So I will just sew these two for you, then I will show you the rest. You can see the way I'm sewing it. I'm pushing it inside and I'm sewing. So don't just sew straight. You push, you sew. Then you're going to sew each bone twice. Can you see that the more I push, the more inward it goes? So this is it. This is how you are going to sew each one. Just make sure you are pushing and you are sewing at the same time. It's as simple as ABC. Then you have to sew it twice. You have to sew each one twice. Okay? Each bone, you have to sew it twice. This is the outcome of the first cage that we did. So till I come away next time. My name is Omo Medum. Bye.